Hello, this is Thomas Adrianson with NCSI, and today I'm going to show you how to set up an advanced email monitor log in Ivanti Neurons for ITSM, so you can see which monitor items incoming emails are using. Now this is specifically if your listener email is set to use the advanced monitoring email processor and you have defined your monitor items below. And a question I get asked often is, how do I know which one of these that email is using? So what we're going to do is we're going to set up a workspace so that you can take a look at those. So when you're logged in as administrator, we're going to go ahead and go into the admin console. We're going to go into our business objects, and we're going to search for our activity history or journal workspace. Now in the list, you grab your journal list, or you can create a new one specifically for this if you want. But we are going to expand journal on the left, expand fields, and find the notes body field. And you're going to drag that on right here. Let's go ahead and make this bigger. Let's go ahead and do word wrap on this and save this. So this is typically used for the journal notes business object, but the advanced email monitor utilizes this field for debug info. Now the next thing we need to do is actually create a layout for this business object. So this business object has no layouts out of the box, so we're going to go do add new layout. We're going to do journal.aem, and we're going to define our views. So in our list view, we're just going to do the journal that we just updated. Go back to the layout. We're going to do a form view. Our main form is going to be journal. And the initial view is going to be the list view. Now in the list view, we do just need to set some of these default values. It doesn't really matter what you put here because we're not really going to be using any of these. We do need to go ahead and put these in. In the toolbar, we're going to go ahead and remove all of these items here. You can keep the refresh. Form view on the toolbar, we're going to remove the new as well. And then once we have that layout created, we need to assign this to the role that's going to be viewing these logs. So we're just going to give this to the admin role for now. So on the left, under users and permissions, roles and permissions, click on admin. Click on top level tabs. Click on add a new tab. This is going to be an object workspace. You're going to do advanced email monitor logs. And the object is going to be activity history. And you're going to select the layout that you just created. Hit add this tab, hit save. And then back on the front end, refresh your browser. Go to more, and type in advanced email monitor logs. And this will pull up the advanced email monitor logs here. Now you want to do a saved search in here, right? This is literally just showing you all of the logs. So we want to create a new saved search where the category is equal to incoming email. And we're going to save this as advanced email monitor logs, spell monitor. And we're going to publish this to admin, and we're going to make default for admin. Okay, save that. If we refresh again, we can see that going into the advanced email monitor logs, it's going to default to those incoming emails. And in the notes field, you're going to get this debug information, right? So this is going to tell you what processor this went through. So this processed using the AEM create incident action, right? Action to perform create incident. So to test this, we have set up or sent an email here called test for Trello AEM. We can see that test for Trello AEM. We can see that it ran the create incident object. And if we go into our incident workspace, we can see we have our test for Trello AEM. And so for those of you using the advanced email monitor, this is how you can set up a log file to check and see that it's behaving the way that you want. For more helpful tips and tricks, please follow, like, and subscribe to this channel for more useful information. Thanks.